Biafra government hereby wish to announce the following civil demonstration and civil disobedience in protest against Nigeria's involvement in the ongoing war in Israel as an Islamic state. It was boldly written on the gov.uk that Islamic state, and Nigeria is one of them officially. We are not part of the Islamic state. We can never support anything that goes against the interests of Israel. And this night we are making it very clear that Nigeria cannot speak for the Biafra people. For forcefully trying to Islamize us, the Biafra government is announcing a complete 4 days lockdown before the Christmas. And this is going to sound as a warning for what is to come. From the 15th of December, Biafra land will be locked down on curfew. Not just sit at home, it is going to be curfew. This particular curfew is to demonstrate our displeasure, our anger that today we are being addressed as an Islamic state by the UK Foreign Secretary without our consent. On the 15th of December, Biafra will lock down. On the 16th of December, Biafra will lock down. On the 17th of December, Biafra will lock down. On the 18th of December, Biafra will lock down. On the 19th of December, Biafra will lock down. That will be the last day of the lockdown. And this particular awareness, I encourage every other ethnic nationality in Nigeria who have come to understand what I'm talking about to join on this particular December lockdown. We are not going to force you because you are not part of us. I want to inform the world that the Biafra government is very active and in control of the entire Biafra territory. We have the Biafra de facto government, we have the Biafra government in exile. But accept the United Kingdom position by addressing Nigeria as an Islamic state. David Cameron announced of Nigeria as an Islamic state is an attempt to deprive our children their childhood and their roots. It must be resisted.
Welcome my followers and subscribers to this channel. My name remains Jovika. I want to sincerely believe you heard what Simon Ekpa just said. This was the post he made when David Cameron made the declaration far away United Kingdom that Nigeria is Nigeria is an Islamic nation. Well, I didn't see the news, but it came out from him. We heard from him. When he made that declaration, he didn't say your Biafra, which he say you are the prime minister, is an Islamic nation. Netanyahu never said it.
Never said it.
Now, in a way, to protest against that declaration, you started punishing our Igbo brothers. You keep using the name Biafra to punish the Igbo. When I keep on telling you guys that Biafra doesn't represent Igbo, Igbo doesn't represent Biafra. Rather, we just accepted the name to carry our brothers who are original Biafrans. Because when the Portuguese came, they gave that name to those living in the coastal area from Mafra. Portuguese word that sounds Mafra or Mafra, yes. And they gave that name to them. So Juku adopted it so that they'll be all inclusive. Now, you say you are the prime minister of your so-called Biafra in exile. This man never said Biafrans are Islamic. He said Nigeria. Why going to take paracetamol on the headache of another people? Now, I don't agree with you. As long as maybe you guys are still in Nigeria, which is the truth. Maybe that's probably what made you to make that declaration. You would have stopped at the point of statement. Don't punish the Igbos for what you think you want to get. You want to display your power. This is why they came against me. This is what I've been making video against him. This is why they call me whatever name, and I don't care. I want to tell you people, guys, listen. Many people have accused me of receiving money from Hopu Zodema. Some said I received from Fulani, Nigerian government, from Wickedn3ss. I don't know who is Wickedn3ss. I've had a lot. And they abused me, said that the money I receive is blood money. Mention so many things that will happen to me because of the money I collect. And I want to say, if truly what you guys are saying is truth, may whatever prayer and wish, cause you let on me be happen to me. You say amen. And if it is lie, the same cause will come back to you 7 times. Not just you, and as many that support you, as many that are shouting amen, as many that are sharing that particular message. One of them wrote and said I should reply him with a video. I can't reply you. I talked to Simon, who you think you are worshiping. You're so called up to be in prison, a terrorist leader. who is in prison. That's the person I make video for. Or Ngozi Orabeze. These are the level people I talk to. So I don't reply riffraffs. Now, you put up a curfew, sit at home, or lockdown in your so-called Biafra. The river states are not observing it. It's only the 5 Igbo states. Why would the 5 Igbos to be suffering for your so-called Biafra? You say it is Biafra. Rivers never observed it. Delta never observed it. Calabar Cross River, Akwa Ibom, they never observed it. Edo never observed it. It's only the 5 Igbos that you are putting. And that is where you have your foot soldier you have trained. They will come out that day and buy people. There are videos I would have shown, if not for policy of the social media. You see how they came and buy a policeman, two policemen who came to buy fuel on a gas station during the time he made this declaration. One guy was on his ticket. They buyed him that he came out for when their so-called prime minister declares it at home. When I see all these things and voices, they call me names. We must speak the truth. I don't care who else is God. We have to say the truth. This was what Simon was grooming in Igbo. And they don't want anybody to talk about it. We must say something about it. The more I try to keep quiet on you guys, the more I am poised to say the truth. Let's call evil evil and run away from evil so that we shall live. You are fighting for your so-called Biafra. You are fighting in your house by your own people. And we think we can clap for you. Every other person can keep quiet, not people like me. We can't keep quiet. God recently have to expose Gentle to the point to see how he's buying people. You guys saw them, but you still want him because you want evil. I wish you evil. You had him 5 days sit at home. You never provided any palliatives to the people you say you are their president or prime minister. You never made any plan how they will survive. You say lockdown 5 days. Even that during that time, I remember some women came out from a particular market. His men came, some of my boys came, and they were matching vegetable, okra, crayfish. People were selling. Some of these women, this is the only thing they have to survive. This is the only market they want to sell so they can eat. They came and destroyed those things and tell them that their master, their prime minister, has to announce sit at home or lockdown. And everybody sees it and keep quiet. You want me to also keep quiet? I don't give a damn about whatever you call me. You know, children don't like nurses and doctors. You know why? Because they come with injection that will help them. This is what is happening. So your hatred of me is simply because I'm giving you the injection that will transform you. Later, you will call me one day, I'm sorry, I was behaving so childish. That's why I hated you. I love you. And I will tell you the truth. Desist from evil. Stop buying your brother. We are Igbo. Let's live in peace. Thank you and God bless you. Please share the video. Let those who have never seen it see it. My name is trending. My picture is trending. Thank you guys for making me popular. Thank you guys. By the time they will say that I'm fighting the Igbos, some people will come. Those who know the truth and watch me. When they see the truth, they'll follow the page. They should subscribe. Please keep following and subscribing. We love you guys. We must tell you the gospel truth. Bye-bye.
This is Jovika Television. Hey yo. Jovika Television. Poised to reach you with the truth.